Bear with me. I'm going to try third. You know, I've done a trial of 3 already. But anyways. So, the last unicorn. Now that I'm a woman. But I'm gonna disappear from the screen. And just relax and go like lay over there on the floor or something, because I do best when I think no one's watching and I'm in my home. And yeah, so I go over there somewhere far away. And it might be strange because you'll be looking at nothing and one of my cats pop up and says hello to you, but alright, bye. See over here in the acoustic area. Okay. I can't remember. I was long ago. Someone strange. I was in a sound mind and full of pain. Now that I'm alone, everything is strange. Once, when I was 13, somewhere out of reach, far away, in a place I could not find, or heart of rain. Now that I'm a woman, everything has changed. Everything has changed. Everything has changed. Or Kate joins me in the corner singing this house photo. Sat in my lap while I sing. He comforted me. Although I still don't think it's the same as when I sing in the shower, but never quite is. But anyways, I'm gonna go check this one out too. See you later. Say bye, spider.